Most men think they need more exercises, more programs, more complicated routines. But what if the exact opposite is true? What if doing less but doing it right is the real secret to getting strong? Because here's the reality. Most men will never need more than 5 exercises. Not because training can't be complex, it can, but because complexity is exactly what's killing your progress. You don't need 20 different movements, you don't need to switch programs every week. You need a system that actually works, and one you can stick to. In this video, I'm going to show you the only 5 exercises you need to build real strength, muscle, and a powerful, functional body. I'll break down why they work and how to get genuinely strong at each one. And make sure you watch until the end, because most people get this completely wrong, and that's why they never see results. But before we dive in, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next video. Now, let's get into it. Exercise 1. Vertical pull. Pull-ups. Ancient Greek athletes trained extensively with pulling movements, climbing ropes, scaling walls, lifting their own body weight. This wasn't optional, it was foundational. Modern science now confirms this. Pulling strength is one of the best predictors of upper body health and longevity. The pull-up is the purest expression of that pattern, working your back, biceps, grip, and core all at once. But here's where most people go wrong. They start too hard. Swinging through half reps with bad form doesn't build muscle, it builds bad habits and injuries. If you can't do 5 clean reps yet, start with assistance. Build up to 15 clean reps before adding weight. Once you can do 15 solid pull-ups, start adding load, vest, backpack, or dumbbell. Progressive overload works anywhere. Exercise 2. Horizontal push. Push-ups or dips. Most people think the bench press is the king of pushing exercises, but the truth is, a loaded push-up is often more demanding. Why? Because your entire body has to stay tight. There's no bench supporting you. Ancient wrestlers and soldiers trained this way for a reason. Master 20 clean push-ups first, full range, chest to the ground. Then start adding weight. You can also include dips to fully develop the chest and triceps. No gym required. Exercise 3. Overhead press. Shoulders. Throughout history, broad shoulders weren't just about looks, they represented strength and capability. The goal here is to build overhead strength. If you train with body weight, aim for the handstand push-up. Progress through pike push-ups, then elevate your feet to increase difficulty. If using weights, perform the standing overhead press, not seated. Standing forces your entire body to stabilize the load, making it far more functional. Exercise 4. Single leg squat pattern. Legs. This is where most people fail, not because it doesn't work, but because it's hard. Most men skip leg day or treat it lightly, but your legs are half your body. Bulgarian split squats are one of the most effective leg exercises you can do. One leg at a time, full depth, controlled movement. Start with body weight. Build to 15 reps per leg, then add weight progressively. Strong legs aren't optional, they're essential. Exercise 5. Hip hinge. Posterior chain. Lower back pain is the leading cause of disability worldwide. The main cause? Weakness in the posterior chain. Historically, people developed strong backs naturally, through lifting, carrying, and physical labor. Today, we've lost that. The Romanian deadlift restores this movement pattern. It trains your hamstrings, glutes, and lower back. But here's the key. This is not a back exercise, it's a hip exercise. Keep your spine neutral and move through your hips. Master that, and this becomes one of the safest and most powerful exercises you can do. 5 movements. That's all it takes. A vertical pull, a horizontal push, an overhead press, a single leg squat, and a hip hinge. That covers every major muscle group, every fundamental movement pattern, everything your body was built to do. No fluff, no wasted effort, just results. The strongest men in history didn't rely on complicated programs or fancy equipment. They followed one simple rule: do hard things consistently and keep progressing. That's it. And the truth is, the fitness industry doesn't want you to believe that, because simplicity doesn't sell, but it works. So here's what you do next. Pick these 5 movements, master them, progress them, Stay consistent. Do that and your entire body will transform. Now, if you're serious about getting stronger the right way, click the video on your screen. I'll show you exactly how to structure these movements into a powerful, results-driven routine. And before you go, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss what's coming next, because once you understand this, everything else becomes noise. I'll see you in the next one.